uCertify offers LPIC-1 certification prep for IT professionals. So, start your prep for LPIC-1 certification exam from today with uCertify. To be a LPIC-1 certified professional, you will have to pass 101-400 and 102-400 exams. It covers understanding, designing and configuring system architecture, Linux installation and package management, GNU and Unix commands, devices, Linux file systems, and file system hierarchy standard. The course has more than 77 performance-based tasks to supplement training by simulating real-world hardware, software, and command line interface environments. Finally, once you achieve a readiness score of 90% or more, you will receive the certificate of course completion from uCertify. Upon course completion, you will be able to determine and configure fundamental system hardware, design a disk partitioning scheme for a Linux system, interact with shells and commands using the command line, and configure disk partition and create file system on a media such as hard disk. To explore more about the uCertify titles and their features, please visit www.ucertify.com/exams/LPI/Pearson-101-400-102-400-lab. You can call us on 1-415-763-6300 or reach us by an email sales@ucertify.com.